Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn how to fix Instagram music not showing all songs. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile phone. Next, you will swipe toward the left side to reach the story area. Now, you will select any media from your gallery. Then tap on the music icon shown at the top. After that, it will show you different songs and you can search for any song of your choice. If it's not showing all songs, go back and reach the profile area. Here, you have to tap on the Edit Profile option. Now select the Personal Information Settings option. Following that, you can reach the account settings and activity. After that, switch your account to a professional account. In this way, you will fix Instagram music not showing all songs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.